If you've ever wondered how chefs consistently cook their eggs exactly how they want them, stay tuned for timings, tips and techniques coming up. Plus you may like to watch a spin test. First, we're cooking soft-boiled eggs using the cold water method. Pan on. High heat, medium-sized eggs. Using a slotted spoon, gently lower your eggs into the cold water. You need enough water to cover the eggs. I needed a bit more here. Bring the water to the boil, then turn down to a simmer. Cook for 2 minutes. Once your 2 minutes are up, remove your eggs from the pan. If you need to remove the shell for your dish, you may want to chill the eggs in a bowl of cold water, again using a slotted spoon. Add ice if you have some, this will speed things up for you. If serving straight away for a delicious breakfast, spoon directly into an egg cup and accompany with buttered toasted soldiers. And by soldiers, I mean slices of toasted bread that fit into the width of your egg. That's how we do it in the UK anyway. Remove the top of the shell with a small spoon to reveal a perfectly soft yolk ready for dipping. If you're not a bread fan, you can replace the toast with asparagus or tender stem broccoli. Be as generous with the salt as your conscience and your health professionals will allow. A perfect runny yolk with no fuss or stressing. The cold water method also eliminates any cracking of the shells caused by plunging into hot water. Be careful not to drop the eggs too hard on the bottom of the pan, as this can cause cracking too. A cracked egg will allow extra heat into your egg and will throw your timings off. Not what we want here. Now for the simple boiling water method. Place your eggs into boiling water. Cook for 5 minutes. This will produce a nice soft yolk, but not too runny. Perfect for most recipes. For a harder egg yolk, leave for an extra minute or two. If you've ever overcooked a boiled egg, you'll notice a grey ring around the yolk. This is the grey ring of doom and best avoided. It tastes okay, but doesn't look too appealing. Once your cooking time is up, remove your eggs from the pan into a bowl of cold water. Time for a quick recap. We have the two methods. The first using cold water to start, my preferred method for softer yolks, and then the boiling water method, with different cooking times for a harder or softer yolk. Both are equally as good, why not try them out and see what you prefer. These timings are a general guide and a good starting point. How to tell if your egg is cooked without peeling? Welcome to the spin test. If your egg is soft in the middle, the wobble on the spinning egg is more pronounced. You can see it move from side to side while spinning. A hard-boiled egg has a much truer spin, like a spinning top, if you remember those. Of course it takes some practice. You wouldn't believe how many takes it took me to get this right. Far too many. Now to remove the shell. Tap the egg on the top, bottom and sides and use your thumb to slide the shell off using the membrane between the egg white and the shell. It should come off fairly easily. This process is much easier with older eggs actually, maybe 7 to 10 days old, your typical supermarket eggs. You'll find very fresh eggs straight from the chicken are much harder to peel as the membrane is less pronounced. This process is also much easier using cold eggs, so ensure to chill them first in cold water. Okay, time for a look inside our 5-minute egg, the big reveal. And we have a lovely soft yolk, but not soft enough to be too runny. Perfect for most recipes. Now onto the hard-boiled egg, cooked for just over 6 minutes. As you can see, there is quite a big difference in colour and texture for only a minute or so difference in cooking times. It's well worth taking the time to learn these cooking basics, as they'll stand you in great stead for your future dishes. Dishes as varied as kedgeree to devilled eggs to the Queen Mother's favourite eggs drum kilbo. I'll let you Google that one. Personally, I think a simple combination of eggs, good mayonnaise and sea salt takes some beating. This is unfortunately not good mayonnaise, but do get the best you can. If you want to perk that combo up, why not add a little of your favourite sprinkles, such as cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, or some of that forgotten barbecue rub at the back of the cupboard. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Until next time.